And, you know, you see him, he's powerful, strong, comes forward. Yeah, it's a great matchup. Garcia is more of a static fighter, throws a lot of looping shots, just a little bit like Peterson, has a little bit more power, and is more game, you know, keeps coming forward sometimes.
People might think losing can dishearten you, but it never disheartened me. It made me train harder.
He sets these goals and he works very hard and he does achieve them. And I think that's why he's where he is today.
I want to become one of the best fighters in the world, pound for pound. And to do that is to be the best fighters in the world.